Welcome everyone to another video. I am SHADAT from SHADAT'S. I am back another camera comparison video. Today video about is Mi A3, Mi A2 and Pocophone iPhone camera comparison. So guys, start the video. Mi A3 triple camera phone. First one 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture wide, second 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra wide, and last one 2 megapixel depth sensor. Mi A2 main dual camera. First one 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and second 20 megapixel 1.8 aperture depth sensor. On the other hand, Pocophone iPhone also dual camera. First one 12 megapixel 1.9 aperture and second 5 megapixel depth sensor.